Hello, True Blue Oklahoman here. Let's talk about Oklahoma weather. Been talked about forever, right? Will Rogers said, I guess, if you don't like the weather, just wait a little bit. But something like that. Anyway, so Christmas Day, it was 80 degrees in Oklahoma. The average in Oklahoma City on Christmas Day is in the upper 40s. So the state was about 40 degrees above normal, actually, for that day. And that week we set several heat records. The last 10 years, records show us we have warming winters, fewer freezes, increased drought, hotter summers, and more intense and extreme weather. So, we had quite a year in 2025. April, of course, we had that record-shattering rain that caused floods. Then the rain basically disappeared. Also in April, in Alva, Oklahoma, they registered 100 degrees in April. Okay, let's see. We average 59 tornadoes a year. We had 105. There was 39 in June alone. I know everybody remembers March 14th wildfires because of the drought we had. We had 90-mile-an-hour winds while those guys were out there trying to fight fires. Just unbelievable. According to the Oklahoma Mesonet, one of the best weather services in the world, that was the windiest day in the history of Oklahoma. 500 homes and businesses were destroyed, 200 people injured, 4 deaths reported, 270,000 people lost power for quite a while. We've had 245 flash flood warnings, 7 flood-related deaths, 2 people killed by lightning. And our insane president is shutting down, in the big beautiful bill, by the way, that passed it's the 2026 budget, passed in the big beautiful bill, that all of these guys in Oklahoma voted for. They all voted for this. What this budget does, it cuts $2 billion from NOAA, the National Oceanic Atmospheric Association. And 12,000 people are going to be out of work. In Norman alone, they're going to eliminate the National Severe Storm Lab in Norman. You believe that? They're going to eliminate the National Severe Storm Lab in Norman. That is the premier storm laboratory in this country. Anyway, they're going to terminate the OU Cooperative Institute for High Weather Impact. It's in Norman. It's going to be defunded, and it employs 227 people. They're going to close the Southern Climate Impacts Planning Program that helps Oklahoma and Louisiana with mitigation plans when disaster strikes. So why are they attacking weather? Why are they stealing all this money from weather? He's also shutting down the National Center for Atmospheric Research in Boulder, Colorado. That just happened, a month ago? That place is known globally for its breakthroughs in weather and climate science. Oh, there's the magic word right there, science. This is to kill science. It's this guy, deranged Trump guy that wants ignorant, poor people in the country. It's just unbelievable. I don't know what to do. This is the way he gets to kill more intelligence, more science. He doesn't want to be questioned about anything. He doesn't want any proof to prove him wrong on anything. He's an 8-year-old boy that can't get his way, and he's a felon, a sex pervert. And he's destroying our country in many, many, many ways. These guys are helping, by the way. Remember that when you vote in Oklahoma for these things? You know, these guys really screw your life up. You know, you Republicans in Oklahoma need to get a grip. You're being used and abused by these guys. And you still send them money. You believe every friggin' word they say. You excuse every stupid thing they do. That's how you get what you deserve. But unfortunately, it affects the rest of us. So, they are turning Oklahoma into a banana republic. Think about that.